A type of mythical being from Japanese folklore is called the Tengu. They are typically portrayed as bird-like creatures with human-like traits like wings and a large nose or beak. Japanese mountains and forests are thought to be home to the Tengu, who are frequently linked to cunning, mischief, and martial arts. The term Tengu, which is derived from the Chinese characters Tian, which means heaven, and Gu, which means dog, is said to have been used to denote shamanistic practitioners who are regarded to have special abilities. The Tengu's appearance changed over time to resemble a bird, and they started to be regarded as guardians of the mountains and forests. They are occasionally portrayed as good spirits that look out for travelers, but in other tales they are naughty and occasionally even evil.